Hi boys and girls, Miss Holloway here. You should be on reteaching 8-4, fact families with 8 and 9. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing today that we did yesterday. We're going to use the division strategies to help us solve these problems, and we are going to be using the facts 8 and 9. And remember, yesterday I told you that some of the easiest strategies are either counting the multiples or drawing equal groups, or thinking of multiplication. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use those same 3 strategies. And you're welcome to do the same as I am doing on this front page, but when you turn to the back, I want you to choose which one you like best. You don't have to do the multiples. I'm just showing you the multiples because I want to teach you the songs and I want you to remember those songs, so it will be easier for you to use the multiples. So let's go ahead and start with number 1. We have 54 divided by 9. So with this one, if you like the 9s trick for multiplication, you could do the 9s trick for this, and let me show you how. You hold out your hands, and since we're doing 9s, we're going to try to figure out how to make a 54 with our hands. So this would be the 5, and this side would be the 4. So if I put down my thumb, I'm making 54, and I put down my 6th finger. So the answer would be 6. Okay, 24 divided by 8. Let's look at our multiples. Here are the multiples of 8. And when we sing this song, we are singing to the tune of Pop Goes the Weasel. So it sounds like this. 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. Okay, so we're looking for 24. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Same thing, 56 divided by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 56, so 7. Okay, 36 divided by 9. Let's use the multiples of 9 for this one. When we're singing the multiples of 9, we're going to sing it to the tune of Jingle Bells. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Okay, so 36 would be the 4th multiple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 63 divided by 9. So we would count 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Okay, that would be 7. All right, number 6. We have 72 divided by 9. We could count the multiples of 9 again. Or you could draw equal groups if you'd like. Remember, these are larger numbers, so it'd be a lot of tally marks, which is fine if that's the way you like to do it. Or I could use my 9s trick. So I'm going to try to make 72. So I would have to have 70 on this side, 2 on the other side. Okay, so I'm putting down my 8th finger to make 72. So that would be 8, and that goes on the top of the 2. Then I have 48 divided by 8. Let's look at our multiples. There's 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 40 divided by 8. Look at our multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 80 divided by 8. Now, if you don't always have these multiples in front of you, you can always sing the song to yourself and then count. All right, so for example, I might do it like this. 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80, and then count how many times you counted, and that was 10. And then 81 divided by 9. Sorry, I keep saying that wrong. So I could do the same thing. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Count those, and that would be 9. Number 11. What multiplication fact could you use to find a number that can be divided evenly by 8 and by 9? Okay, so for this one, we could take 8, multiply it by 9 to get 72, and 9 times 8 equals 72. Okay, so that's the multiplication fact that we can use to find a number that can be divided evenly by 8 and by 9, because there's a 72 in both lists of multiples. So I could take 72 and divide it by 8 and get 9, and I can take 72 and divide it by 9 to get 8. Okay, turn the page and you're going to do the practice side on your own. Use your favorite strategy. I'd love for you to use the multiples and try to sing the songs. I feel like that's really helpful. Good luck.